Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out of all devices in Wise app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Wise app and already logged in. And now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Wise apps on in the screen, where you can see your profile picture at the top left corner of this dashboard. Simply tap on that profile picture and now you can see the setting option just down below of this personal details option. So simply tap on that settings option, and now you can see the privacy and security option at the top on in the screen. So once you tap on it, you will be able to see the logout of everywhere option just down below of this screen. So once you tap on it, you can see there is a button. There is written confirm log out. So once you tap on it, you will be able to log out of all devices in Wise app successfully. So basically this is how you can log out of all devices in Wise app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.